Every year, new technology changes the way we live, work, and think, and these changes are speeding up. Here are the tech trends changing the world right now, and the ones that will keep shaping it for years to come. 5G connectivity. 5G is giving the internet a turbo boost, delivering lightning-fast speeds with barely any delay. This isn't just for smoother streaming, it's the invisible power behind self-driving cars, instant video calls, and even remote surgeries. With 5G, billions of devices can talk to each other in real time, making smart cities and automated systems actually possible. The rollout hasn't been simple, with high costs and complex infrastructure slowing things down in some areas, but adoption is growing fast. And once the connection is this quick, it sets the stage for where and how all that data gets processed, which is where edge computing steps in. Edge computing. Edge computing moves data processing closer to where it's created instead of sending it far away to massive data centers. This means information gets handled almost instantly, a must for things like autonomous vehicles, industrial robots, and immersive AR experiences. By cutting lag, edge computing makes every connected device feel faster and more reliable. It also helps keep sensitive information secure by processing it locally when needed. Paired with 5G, it's unlocking possibilities we couldn't achieve before. And as devices get smarter, the next step is making sure their networks are transparent, secure, and trustworthy, which is exactly what blockchain is delivering. Blockchain. Blockchain is proving it's far more than just the backbone of cryptocurrency. Its real strength lies in creating secure, unchangeable records that can be verified by anyone. Supply chains use it to track products from origin to shelf. Hospitals use it to protect patient records, and businesses use it to verify digital ownership. While scalability and energy use remain challenges, innovation is addressing those issues fast. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things connects physical devices, from smart fridges to industrial sensors, so they can share and react to data automatically. This is how smart homes adjust lighting without you touching a switch, how factories predict when machines need repairs, and how cities manage traffic more efficiently. With billions of devices joining the network every year, IoT is becoming the nervous system of modern life. But with so much connectivity, protecting this data from hackers becomes more critical than ever, leading straight into the rise of advanced cybersecurity. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is no longer a background issue, it's a frontline priority. With hackers using AI to launch more complex attacks, defenses have to be just as smart. Zero trust security, AI-driven threat detection, and stronger encryption are now becoming standard practice across industries. Financial systems, hospitals, and even public infrastructure depend on staying ahead of cyber threats. And the push for stronger digital safety doesn't just protect money or data, it's key to protecting the technologies that will drive a cleaner and more sustainable future. Sustainable technology. Sustainable tech is all about building a future that works without destroying the planet. Solar energy, wind farms, electric transport, and circular manufacturing are replacing old, wasteful systems. Companies are designing products that last longer, use fewer resources, and can be recycled more easily. Governments are backing it with tighter environmental rules and incentives. The shift isn't just good for the Earth, it's opening new markets and sparking innovation. And when sustainability meets human creativity, we get groundbreaking ways to extend and enhance human abilities. Human augmentation. Human augmentation is technology that upgrades what our bodies and minds can do. Wearable exoskeletons are helping people lift heavy loads or walk again after injuries. Brain-computer interfaces are letting users control devices with just their thoughts. Smart contact lenses are being developed to display information directly in your vision. It's science fiction turning real, and it's evolving fast. But as humans upgrade themselves, the tools we use to build these innovations are also getting an upgrade, thanks to AI-powered software development. AI augmented development. AI is now helping developers write, test, and debug code faster than ever. Tools like GitHub Copilot suggest fixes and even generate entire functions in seconds, cutting project timelines dramatically. This means businesses can roll out apps and updates at a speed that was impossible before. Developers still guide the process, but AI takes care of the repetitive work. The result is a faster innovation across industries, and many of those apps are about to get a lot smarter. Smart apps. Smart apps use AI to understand user habits, preferences, and needs so they can deliver personalized experiences. Whether it's a fitness app tailoring workouts, a finance app offering custom investment advice, or a shopping app predicting your next purchase, smart apps are designed to adapt to you. This creates seamless interactions that feel natural. But the next leap in personalization comes when AI doesn't just respond, it creates entirely new content on its own. Democratized generative AI. Generative AI is making creativity more accessible than ever. With just a few words, anyone can create artwork, write music, design graphics, or draft scripts. Businesses are using it for ad campaigns, game design, and even product prototyping. You no longer need years of technical training to bring ideas to life, but as more people create AI-generated content, there's a growing need to verify originality and authenticity, and that's where other emerging tools will step in. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. RPA uses software robots to handle repetitive tasks that normally eat up hours of human time. In finance, bots process invoices and update records in seconds. In customer service, they handle basic queries so staff can focus on complex issues. It's like having an invisible workforce running 24/7 without breaks or mistakes. The challenge is setting them up correctly and keeping them updated as processes change. But when paired with AI, RPA becomes even more powerful, especially in industries that need constant system monitoring. Continuous Threat Exposure Management, CTEM. CTEM is like having a security guard that never sleeps and constantly checks for vulnerabilities before hackers can exploit them. It runs non-stop scans, analyzes threats, and prioritizes fixes so businesses can act fast. Financial institutions, hospitals, and government agencies rely on this because a single security breach can cost millions. While it requires strong teams to manage and interpret the data, the benefit is huge. Fewer surprises and faster defenses. And once systems are safe, companies can confidently explore bigger tech shifts like industry-specific cloud platforms. Industry cloud platforms. Unlike general-purpose cloud services, industry cloud platforms are built with tools, regulations, and workflows tailored to specific sectors. A healthcare cloud might include secure patient data systems, telemedicine support, and compliance tracking. A manufacturing cloud could integrate supply chain management and production monitoring. This focus means companies can adopt advanced tech without reinventing the wheel for their industry. As more sectors digitize, these specialized platforms will become the standard, connecting directly with other innovations like platform engineering for even smoother operations. Platform engineering. Platform engineering builds the backbone that lets companies develop, test, and deploy applications faster. It blends cloud infrastructure, DevOps tools, and automation into one streamlined system. Developers get ready-made environments, so instead of wasting time setting up servers, they can focus on coding and innovation. This not only speeds up delivery, but also reduces human errors in deployment. For large businesses, platform engineering means scalability on demand. And with this kind of infrastructure in place, AI-driven frameworks for trust and fairness can be embedded right from the start. AI Trust, Risk and Security Management, AITRISM. As AI takes on more decisions, trust is critical. AITRISM creates transparent systems that fight bias, protect privacy, and ensure accountability. In healthcare, it keeps diagnosis tools fair for every patient. In finance, it stops discrimination in lending or approvals. Companies that adopt these safeguards now will win stronger customer confidence. And with trust in place, AI will be allowed to handle bigger responsibilities, even managing purchases or financial tasks on its own. Machine customers. Machine customers are AI systems that can decide, negotiate, and buy without human input. A supply bot could reorder materials automatically, compare prices, and choose the best deal. A personal AI assistant might pay your bills on time or renew services without asking. This changes how businesses sell, as products will be designed for automated buyers. For them to work effectively, they'll need smooth coordination with an augmented connected workforce that can adapt instantly to their needs. Augmented connected workforce. Here, humans, AI, and smart devices team up for maximum efficiency. Wearables track worker health, AR glasses guide repairs, and AI tools suggest ways to improve performance. Industries like construction, logistics, and healthcare benefit most. The challenge is balancing privacy with monitoring. If done right, workplaces become faster, safer, and more skilled, which pairs perfectly with next-gen manufacturing robots built for precision, adaptability, and non-stop operation. Robotics in next-gen manufacturing. Today's manufacturing robots are smarter and more adaptable than ever. Cobots safely work alongside humans, handling repetitive or risky jobs while people focus on creative and quality tasks. Advanced sensors and AI allow instant adjustments to production changes. This makes factories faster and more cost-efficient. With manufacturing now highly optimized, the next revolution is in computing power itself, and quantum technology is leading the charge. Quantum computing. Quantum computers use qubits to process data at speeds unimaginable for traditional machines. They're ideal for drug discovery, complex simulations, and advanced encryption. While still in development, breakthroughs from companies like IBM and Google are improving stability and reducing errors. When combined with AI, quantum machines could solve problems in minutes that currently take years. Such power will demand careful guidance, which AI augmented decision-making tools are already preparing to provide. AI augmented decision-making. AI now helps leaders make sharper decisions by analyzing massive data sets to spot trends, forecast results, and suggest the best moves. Companies use it for investment planning, supply chain optimization, and predicting customer needs. The secret is pairing AI's precision with human judgment for the best results. With strategy this sharp, the next step is making it immersive and interactive, and that's where AR and VR enter. Resource mining. As space travel grows, mining off-world resources is becoming viable. Asteroids and moons contain valuable minerals for industries back home. Companies like Lunar Outpost are building mining tech for space while applying it on Earth. Off-planet mining could also ease environmental strain here. With space infrastructure developing quickly, making transport efficient is key, a challenge reusable rocket technology is already solving. Reusable rockets. Reusable rockets have turned spaceflight from a one-shot expense into a sustainable business. SpaceX and Blue Origin lead with designs that launch, land, and fly again, slashing costs and boosting safety. This makes regular space missions and resource transport far more realistic. As rockets become reliable workhorses, the next challenge is delivering goods fast. A role drones are ready to take over. Drone deliveries. Drones can move goods quickly, from medicine to groceries, avoiding traffic and lowering emissions. Their GPS precision and autonomous navigation make them ideal for urgent deliveries. Regulations and airspace control remain the biggest hurdles. Once resolved, drones could integrate seamlessly with AI-powered customer services, like chatbots that handle orders and track deliveries in real time. Future AI chatbots. Modern AI chatbots go beyond simple replies. They learn user habits, detect tone, and offer tailored suggestions. They're always on, freeing humans for complex problems. Over time, they'll become proactive, anticipating needs and taking action, like confirming deliveries or adjusting subscriptions automatically. As they process more data, they'll sync even better with wearable devices that feed them constant personal insights. Wearable devices. Wearables have evolved into versatile tools for health, work, and entertainment. Smart clothing can track posture, glasses can display navigation, and medical wearables can detect issues before symptoms show. With AI integration, your wearable might schedule a doctor's visit or adjust your plans. Facial recognition could make these processes faster and more seamless, blending into daily life with almost no friction. These trends are rewriting the rules, and those who adapt early will lead the way. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow for more interesting contents and share this with someone who loves exploring the future as much as you do.